Hey guys, Rubdog Games here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I thought I'd do a small tutorial on how to boost your speed and performance on your slow Windows 11 PC or laptop. I recommend taking a screenshot of the Task Manager and hit Performance tab just to see what percentage you've gained from these 5 tips I'm going to let you know about right now. So we'll get out of this one. So the first one will be the storage sense. So we'll just go Windows key, go to settings, go to system, and then next will be going to storage here, and then it will let it load up all your files. I've got a fair bit, all these videos I'm saving on here. So this one here will be the storage sense. So automatically free up space, delete temporary files, and manage locally available cloud content. So just turn that on, and that automatically will delete all the temporary files. So saves you doing it, but I will be showing you how to do that manually as well later on in the video. And just the second part of cleaning up the files, come here to clean up recommendations. And usually you have a fair list of temporary files you can delete. So you go to unused apps. I got nothing on mine, but if people have got a fair bit of stuff, you can just pick all this stuff and delete it one by one. And that's all the recommendations. And just finally, pick advanced options and just uncheck the ones the temps on. So yep, go remove files, go continue, and that should delete all those unwanted files from the PC. Alright, number 2, so removing the location services from your PC. Only remove it if you're not using the webcam or maps or any of those kind of things. So first go again, Windows key and settings. We'll go down to privacy and security, and we'll just scroll down to the apps permissions. So I'm on my desktop, so go to location on here. So I don't really need to have my location services, and so turn that off. Allow location override, we'll leave that one on. We'll go back. We'll go to camera. I haven't got a webcam, so camera, we'll turn them off, and everything else is off there. We'll just scroll down. So microphone will keep on. Notifications are fine. Phone calls, I don't take phone calls on here, so I might as well just turn all this stuff off. Just keep on whatever you need. So email, microphone, voice activation, notifications are fine. Contacts, I don't have contacts on here, so just delete or turn off. And yeah, that should be all of them. Radio control access, turn off. You can basically turn 80% of this stuff off. I'm not going to bore you by going through each one of them, but along with the main location, camera, those ones are off. Everything else should be sweet, and then that should speed up the process. Alright, number 3 is disable the system notifications. So basically, Windows key back into settings and then system again, and then click on notifications, and then scroll down to the bottom to additional settings and turn the tips and suggestions off. And this will mean that you won't get any unwanted apps or suggestions while using the Windows. So additional settings. So just uncheck the get tips and the suggestions here. Leave these 2 on though. And so that will get rid of that. And then also if there's any, so Discord gets quite annoying, so you can turn Discord noise off if you like. Everything else I wouldn't touch, just leave as it is. So that is number 3. So number 4 is the uninstall unwanted apps. So we go to the apps option, then go to installed apps. and start taking all the pre-installed apps which also slow your PC down. So I've gone through a fair few of these. Microsoft Teams I don't really use, so uninstall. Leave that on. So I've got a lot of stuff you don't really need. So yeah, you can go through all those one by one and remove. And then part 2 of the number 4 here, we'll go back to system. Go to system settings. Go to apps. And then click up startup option. And then disable all. So Epic, that's annoying, so I'm going to take that off. Chrome's fine. Microsoft Edge, can turn that off. OneDrive I don't even use. Steam's fine. So I'll just delete all those ones. And then hopefully that should speed up a fair bit. Alright, so number 5 is cleaning up of the temporary files. So we'll firstly go Windows and press R. So Windows and R. And first you type in just normal TMP. Go OK. And I've done it earlier on today, but usually this will be filled up with hundreds and hundreds of temporary files. Select them all, delete them all. These 3 are for some reason I can't delete. I've got to figure out why. It's something that's to do with program or something. I don't know. Yeah, so basically Windows key, press R, TEMP, and then delete these files. And then we'll do it again. So Windows R together. And then do %, TEMP again, and then %, again. And then press OK. And then you get another folder full of files. Just see if we can delete these ones on video. Yep, so some there you can't delete. Skip all the ones, just do that for that. Just do them for all the ones you can't delete. Okay, so can't delete any of those. So that should be all sweet for that. Task Manager, go to Performance. Hopefully you've seen a bit of an increase, especially in CPU and the memory. So thank you very much. Hopefully these 5 tips have helped you increase at least 5 to 10%, if not more. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment down below if you've gained any speed. If you've got any recommendations for other videos you want me to do in the future, I would love to hear from you. So I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.